Hindi may tago ni top-notch boxing trainer Robert Garcia ang pagkabilib kay Filipino title challenger Mark Anthony Barriga 2 araw bago ang title fight sa pagitan ng Filipino Olympian at ang bata ni Garcia na si Carlos Licona ng Mexico. May report si teammate Arian Malyare.
Bilib si Mexican-American trainer Robert Garcia sa kakayahan ni world title challenger Mark Anthony Barriga. Ayon kay Garcia, mababa man ang knockout percentage ng Filipino Olympian, lubos ang paalala ni Garcia pagdating sa preparasyon naman ng kanyang boxer na si Mexican Carlos Licona. Si Licona ang title opponent ni Barriga, kung saan magtutuos ang dalawa para sa bakanteng minimum weight world crown ngayong weekend sa Los Angeles.
What I've been watching from Mark Barriga is he throws, his punches are explosive. He's a good counter puncher. He's very fast, and when he does, he doesn't have knockouts. So I don't know, I don't know. I could say maybe his power is not that big, but he is very explosive. His punches are explosive. 1 or 2 at a time, but when he does, it's very fast and accurate.
Sa kabila ng low KO percentage ng dalawang boxers, nakikita pa rin ni Garcia ang isang maaksyong laban sa pagitan ni Barriga at Licona. Isang knockout win lamang ang naitala ni Barriga sa paglista nito ng 9-0 win-loss record, habang 3 knockouts sa 13 victories ang naitala ni Mexico City-born na si Licona.
Look, of course, that's what every fighter wants to do, is win the fight by knockout, and I'm sure both of them are going in there thinking that they could win by knockout. But it's going to be, if one makes a mistake and the other one is able to catch him with a good punch, then anybody could go down, anybody could get knocked out. But I think it'll be more of a chess match, and round by round, it'll be an interesting fight until the end of it, until the 12th round.
Magtutuo sina Barriga at Licona sa isang 12-round title fight para sa bakanteng 105-pound crown na magaganap ngayon Linggo sa Staples Center sa Los Angeles, California. Arian Malyare, PTV Sports.